Some of you asked me about the changes in PMP exam that have become effective on 11th of January 2016. In this lecture, I will briefly get you through the most important facts about this change. The PMP exam has changed because, as it is in many professions, also project management profession continues to evolve over time. Therefore, the PMP exam must be updated from time to time in order to reflect the most current practices and needs. The change that happened on the 11th of January was a result of the role delineation study carried out in 2015. The role delineation study examines the role of the project manager to determine key competency areas, including domains, tasks, knowledge, skills, etc. It aims to allow the PMP certification to be validated by the industry. And this latest RDS has shown that the project manager's role has changed slightly, so they've updated the exam to reflect that. The output of the RDS is the updated PMP exam content outline, which will also mean the updated PMP exam paper. I hope you know what is the PMP exam content outline, but just in case you don't, this is the syllabus for the PMP exam, which describes what you can expect on the exam. You can obtain it from the link that is on the slide. You can also get an old copy of the PMP exam content outline and compare the differences yourself. What you'd find out is that there are multiple updates in the exam. First of all, a few existing project management tasks are slightly modified. Some of the terminology and language has changed, although the principles behind the tasks stay the same. Also, a few obsolete tasks has been removed, and the weighting of the different process groups has slightly changed. The most important change is that there are 8 new tasks, 3 in initiating process group, 1 in planning process group, 2 in executing process group, and 2 in monitoring and controlling process group. There are no new tasks in closing process group. The changes that comes with the new tasks are not very big. Generally, they aim to focus on business strategy and realization of benefits, underline the value of lessons learned, enhance stakeholder relationship management, and make clear responsibility of the project charter. It's right now more clear that the project manager is not the only one responsible for the project charter, thankfully. In effect, around 25% of all the PMP exam questions will be affected. It seems to be quite a big figure, but in fact, if you have the proper project management experience, which you should have as it is the eligibility criteria, and if you have studied the reference materials, then I don't think you'll have some problems with the new content. What is important, your reference materials are still the same. There are no changes, especially to the PMBOK guide. If this lecture didn't answer all your questions about the change, please feel free to start a new discussion in the discussion panel. You may also wish to go to the source and watch the webinar that PMI has produced. The link is at the slide. Okay, thank you and good luck with your PMP exam.